Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Tuya Smart app for LED light on iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet and your LED light are already connected to the app. Now open the Tuya Smart app on your phone and log in. When the app opens, you will see the home screen. There is where all your smart devices are listed. Tap on LED light to open its control. At the top, you will see a power button. Tap it to turn the light on or off. Below that, you can see control, the brightness. Slide your finger left or right to make the light dimmer or brighter. If your LED light supports color, then tap the color option. Here you can choose different color by tapping or sliding on the color wheel. You can also adjust how strong or soft the color looks. If you want control multiple lights at once, you can create a group in the app and name them together. Finally, you can connect Tuya Smart to Alexa or Google Assistant if you want to control your light with your voice. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.